Adam and Bo and Tim.
And Tim.
There's some more stalls over there too. Wait, there's a bug!
Miss Goody Boo.
He's been maimed.
What's happening?
Oh, why?
I don't know.
Brutal.
Someone's taking his thing off.
Yeah, people are mean.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, too.
Aw,
People are so mean.
I feel like someone's come along at night and just gone.
Today we're in Yoshino Park in Kagoshima for Hanami. If you don't know what Hanami is, it's where you go with your friends and you sit in the park and eat snacks and look at cherry blossoms. So that's what we're doing today. Yeah, it's a really pretty park. I'm really happy we came here. Like, look, waterfall. And there's a lot of cherry blossoms and it's really nice. Like, look at that. And it's a really nice day. It's really warm out. Oh my god. Okay.
I'll take a picture of you here.
Okay. But yeah, as I was saying, so we're doing Hanami today. Yes, I'm very happy. Are you having a good time?
Yeah. Having a good time.
Yeah, and finally I have friends who will be in my videos. So you'll see some clips of my weird friends. Oh, I see it. There it is. I hate it.
Yeah, so you could actually take it really far away. Yeah. You shouldn't let it get out of your sight, but I always do.
What does that mean?
Ike means danger. Ike no naka ni hairanai de kudasai. Please don't go into the pool.
Well, yeah, you'll get sick.
Ike no naka ni hairanai de kudasai.
We're walking up to the viewpoint. Apparently, you can see the volcano really well from here. Look at, we're already over the ocean. Oh, it's so bright.
You know.
I named his drone.
Oh yeah, what is it?
It's now Jerome.
Jerome?
And then-
Jerome the drone.
Jerome the drone. Jerome.
Up. Down. Turn. Turn. Forward. Backward. Left. Yeah. So I'll bring it back down for you.
You guys got some good photos?
Hi. So what do you call your fans?
I don't have a name.
You should. What's your last name?
But I don't put my name on it anymore.
There, right?
No,
No?
not anymore.
What's it called again?
Say that again, Tom.
Hey honeys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Moment's passed.
Well, now I got you